Hey everyone, want to transfer money from Western Union straight to your bank account? Here's a quick and easy guide on how to do it. So first of all, open the Western Union app or go to the Western Union website and log into your account, and then click on send money and choose the option to send funds to a bank account. Select the country and bank account where you want the money sent. You will need the recipient's bank details like the account number and the bank's name. Enter the amount you want to send, confirm the payment method like debit or credit card or your Western Union wallet. Review the transfer details including the transfer fee and exchange rate if applicable, and click send. Once confirmed, the money should be transferred to the bank account within a few hours or up to 3 to 5 business days depending on the destination. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit like and follow for more money transfer tips.